Dear viewers, in our previous video, we have seen how to launch an EC2 instance in Amazon. In this video, we will see how to connect to the EC2 instance. Click on the connect button. Once you click on the connect button, it will take you to the page which lists all the possible ways to connect to the EC2 instance. For our demo purpose, we will be using the SSH client to connect to the EC2 instance. So in the SSH client tab, it will give the steps to connect to the instance. So we need to open an SSH client. To open the Windows command prompt, in the Windows command prompt, we have to navigate to the path where we have saved the key pair file while launching the instance. After navigating to that path, copy the command which was given in the page ssh-i followed by the key pair file name followed by the user ec2-user, that's the default user, and the server name which is launched. So that's the server name, and then you can click enter. Once you click enter, if it is the first time, it will ask to accept the keys. If not, it will directly connect. So now it is connected to the instance, and you can see the Linux prompt over there. So now we are connected to the EC2 instance. The next step, we are going to install the web server, the HTTPD web server, and we will create a simple HTML page. Let's see how to do that. So before that, we need to update all the packages using yum, sudo yum in update -y. So that will update. There are no packages to update as of now. And next step, we will install the HTTPD server. HTTP. So this installs the HTTPD server. That's the web server. So after installing the HTTPD server, we need to start the service, sudo service HTTPD start. Now the service is started. We have to navigate to the path cd/where/www/html. We have to navigate to the path where/www/html. In this path, we have to create a HTML file. We will create a simple HTML file using the VI editor, sudo vi index.html. Here the file name should be index.html. That's the default page. When you open the server using the browser, the index.html will be your landing page. So we will just create that page only. Sudo vi index.html. Here we'll create a simple HTML page. Open the HTML tag and type on the text which we want to see in the browser. So in this demo, we will type welcome to TTG EC2 instance. After that, we can close the HTML tag. After closing the HTML tag, we will save that index.html file, save and quit. Once we quit, we can try to access this server using a web browser. So for that we need to have the server name. The server name is available in the command itself, which we use to connect using the SSH. Whatever comes after the username, like after that add prompt, that will be the server name. You have to copy that and put it into the HTTP. You have to copy the server name, and put it into the browser using HTTP. So you can see the display now. Welcome to TTG EC2 instance. So this completes the connecting and installing web server in the EC2 instance. Thanks for watching.